Hi, I'm Ryan from iThemeland, where WordPress and WooCommerce come to life. In this tutorial, you will learn how easy it is to display custom fields to your customers using the WooCommerce product table plugin. Step 1. Showing the custom field column in the product table. In order to add a custom field column to the product table, first open Columns tab, and then click on the Add a Column button to see the new column box with two sections: heading and cell content. The next thing you're gonna do is click on the Add Element in the Cell Content box to see the list of the elements in the left panel, and then choose the custom field from the element list. By doing this, the custom field column will be added to your table, and you can edit this element by customizing the items in the General and Style tabs displayed in the Element Setting panel. Now let's review these customization options. Step 2. Editing the custom field element in the General tab. In the General tab, first, you need to write the custom field name in the text box and choose one of the options. The options include WordPress as default. This means the custom field is created with the default options in WordPress. Advanced Custom Field, or ACF. The ACF plugin creates the custom field. Configurations related to the WordPress custom field. If the custom field added to the column has been made by WordPress, you can set configurations in the General tab. Display custom field value as. In this field, you can choose the custom field format from the list, including text, HTML, website link, PDF or download link, phone number, email address, and image. Output when no custom field value exists. The element you add here is displayed when the selected custom field has no data. You can choose one of the items to be shown in the table by clicking on the Add Element option. Dot. To add dots between elements. HTML to show a customized element by writing a specific code. Icon. To display an icon in the custom field cell with no data to the customer. Media image, to show an image in the cell content. Space, to add a space between elements. And text, to show any message to your customer. Switch custom field based on selected variation. Suppose the custom field contains distinct values for various product variations. In that case, you can enable this option, which allows the plugin to display the relevant value corresponding to each variation the customer chooses. Configurations related to the ACF plugin. When you choose the ACF item, no special configurations needs to be set in the General tab. You can just choose the Add Element option to show an element to your customers when no custom field value exists. For example, consider that you added bandwidth as a custom field to your product and you want to display that as a separate column. So, go to Query tab and choose a domain name for the Include Taxonomies box. And then, navigate to Columns tab. Now click on the Add a Column button to see the new column box with two sections. Again, heading and cell content. Click on the Add Element in the Cell Content box to see the list of the elements in the left panel. Now choose the custom field from the element list. Select ACF and set bandwidth as custom field text box. You can actually find this lock from custom file list an ACF plugin, as you can see it right here. Now, let's check the table. As you can see, the bandwidth is displayed as a separate column. There you have it. Now, the last item in the General tab is Condition for Element, allowing you to set some conditions for displaying the custom field element in the table column. Step 3. Customize the Style tab. In the Style tab, some configurations are available for customizing the element's appearance. For example, you can change background color, font size, text alignment, and etc. Now, for example, we're going to change the font color here. Now check the results via live preview, and as you can see, the color of column has been changed.